What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Single Hook Hogs Fishing, keeping you ready and motivated for trout fishing in Pennsylvania and surrounding areas. I'm Corporal Hood, back up here today on the Yellow Breeches. And hey, y'all, we got Gary Slater with us.
What's up, guys?
Special treat from Mr. Gary, y'all. Check this out. Woo! Maybe you don't know what that is, but there is a 1-3 on the side of that. That's right, just like our alma mater, 1st Battalion, 3rd Marines, baby. We got the Hero 13, so stay tuned for that. Hopefully we catch some of these Huskers and get some of that good footage for you. We'll see the difference. Regardless, the gear we're running today, Taylor Phenom 9'5" weight with that Orvis Battenkill 2. We got that SA 5-weight forward floating line, and we have a cheeky 7.5 foot to 5X tapered leader, and we got a little experimental hood worm on there. We're gonna see what that's doing. Gary has back. Y'all didn't see it. We didn't want to say nothing, but this rod did take a spell. Just got it back. That Thomas and Thomas.
Contact 2, fresh from the factory, back in business. And the Sage ESN.
And what's that right there? Oh no.
Oh, that's a hoodworm.
Yeah, he's probably gonna catch a fish first because that pattern's actually tested and proven, but we're gonna go ahead, get down here to the water, bounce around a couple different spots up here today. Hey, if y'all wanna come fish with us, shoot us an email, singlehookhoggs@gmail.com, or just hit us up in the comments. We'll give you directions on how you can get up here. As y'all may or may not know, we offer guided walking tours up here on the Yellow Breeches and a couple Keystone Select waterways here in PA. Really appreciate the support, y'all. Thank you so much. And if you're digging the channel, want to help us out, check out our sponsors, Hoffman's Lures Inc., HLI, and Taylor Fly Fishing. Don't forget about them. Promo code SHH Fishing. Get you 15% off over there at HLI, 10% at Taylor. And with that being said, y'all, we're going to go ahead and check back in on the water. All right, y'all. We are down here. And we're going to see what happens. Woo. Gary's down there around the bend. He said he was walking in on one. And we're already digging this 13. Now we got a little wider view on here for you today, just because we're playing with some settings. We might switch that up, but we just want to give you a little preview of what is to come here. We got that wide angle on there. Just a little something different for you. All right, y'all, we're back to our normal view. Whew, that's what it looks like normally. So it's this pink when they're not digging.
What am I hooked on? Oh, that's a fish. Holy crap. That thing just started taking off.
Fish?
He's not even that big.
Ooh, rightfully so, that's why. What is that?
Oh,
A trout?
yeah.
Brown trout?
Yep. Ooh.
Rightfully so, y'all. Gary got the first trout with the Hero 13, baby, and it's a beautiful brown. There we go. Wow. Wow, okay.
Dude, that is so funny. But that was a snag.
That's crazy. I
put my net down and was trying to pull, and all of a sudden it took off. Like, what the heck?
I told him, I said, that was the bigger brother. You didn't know it yet, but it was a little small in that pouch.
Then I'm gonna ruin the hole.
That was a nice brown trout though. You see them spots? That's pretty as hell. All right, y'all, here we go. We're gonna try something different. We just tied that up. We got a couple more of them squirmies, but let's see what happened. Let's see what happens. Gary just caught that nice brown trout, so he's winning. I got a leaf.
There we go.
Got one?
Yeah.
Nice. Ooh, I got that. Nice. Breaching on the yellow breeches, baby.
Oh, another one.
Ooh, another friend. What do you take?
He took the hoodworm.
Nice, baby. Here he comes. Look at that. There we go. Woo-wee. Now that's a little more wild. Look at the red in the adipose. There we go.
Woo. Another nice little brown. He's a fighter.
Nice.
Another nice release. Look at that.
Damn, I better do some catching up. Yo, Gary.
Yeah, buddy.
Cool move on the GoPro, dude. Look at this thing. Here we go, just a little strip. We're gonna keep it moving a little quicker. I think maybe that's what they want. Keep it all at that bottom. Gary's back in the game. Here we go, that was a chubber hitting it. That was a chubber. Gary caught all the fish in here already. Man, that grass and this tree, thank God I got this phenom. I'd have been snagged 3 times. Gary got one. Told you gotta get another one. There it is.
Oh, that's a pretty rainbow. Look at that rainbow. Wide open.
Here we go. Woo. Let him go, let him go, let him go. Oh. Yep. Woo-wee. Bang. Beautiful things, dude. Woo. Took the top fly.
Did he?
Yeah, what you got up there?
Just a little
Waltz worm. Woo-wee. Look at that. Woo-wee. Beautiful things. Okay.
Perfect. You okay?
There you go. Shit. Alright, so there it is. That's the pink one. That's the one that's been on fire. So we're down to it. Try and get one for you here before we relocate. Let's see if we can get them to take it. Fish on, fish on. Oh, it's a nice one. Damn. Damn. Get him on the reel. Ooh, the pink one. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's a nice one. Ooh, he's gonna see me. He's gonna see me. He's gonna see me. Ooh. I should be all right. Ooh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one, right on the lip. I want to move it right on the lip. Woo-wee. Woo-wee. In the net. Bang. Woo. Woo-wee, Paul. Ooh, she's burping. Come on, baby girl. Can't get my hand around her. Woo-wee. All right. Here you go, y'all. Here you go. Woo. Beautiful things. So hey y'all, that's gonna be it for today. Unfortunately, we ran out of batteries for that Hero 13. We did not catch any more fish, but the day was a success because we got to field test that GoPro. Gary caught 2 beautiful browns and a banger rainbow. And hey, the Corporal got his one. Hey, I guess that's it. 1 to 3 on that Hero 13. And that's our alma mater, so that's even cooler. Hats off to all you 1-3 guys out there. You know we love you. But hey y'all, really appreciate the support. Not much information in the video today, just kind of checking out that GoPro. And once we get those settings figured out, we'll go ahead and let y'all know what they are on that 13, what works best for us. Tell you right now, don't use the wide. We ended up switching from wide to linear because that wide view was just too much. I prefer that linear over that wide. That wide view is pretty extreme, so any of that hyper boost, super wide stuff, probably just pick that linear on that. Other than that, we'll go through that another time. But thanks again for checking us out. Hope y'all enjoy the fish, y'all. Remember, if you're digging the channel, check out our sponsors, HLI, and last but not least, Taylor Fly Fishing. That promo code SHH Fishing gets you 15% off over there at HLI and 10% off over there at Taylor, but that's pretty significant. And make sure y'all check out their custom reel shop. Stay motivated, keep it tight. Catch you next time. Single Hook Hogs out.